15 million views, 13 million views, 21 million views. These shorts were all created in just 5 minutes of work. Meanwhile, you're still stuck writing scripts, generating images, recording voiceovers, and editing videos. While you're overthinking, these channels are gaining thousands of subscribers and millions of views with just 20 to 30 shorts. In this video, I'm introducing you to one of the most underrated AI tools that only 1% of creators are using, and those creators are making thousands of dollars with it, whether on TikTok or YouTube. The AI tool I'm talking about is Vidalgo.tech. In fact, I'll show you how to create a viral short in under 5 minutes, right here in this video. Take a look at what we're going to make.
Did you know World War II was a catalyst for technological innovation? This conflict, involving over 50 countries, reshaped global politics and society. It began with Germany's invasion of Poland in 1939, sparking a chain reaction among the Axis and Allied powers.
Before we dive into the tutorial, let me tell you why Vidalgo stands out. It's not just another AI tool, it's better in so many ways. Vidalgo.tech is an AI-powered platform that transforms your ideas into scroll-stopping videos. Simply share your concept and Vidalgo does all the heavy lifting, creating, editing, and making your content engaging. The best part? It's super easy to use, supports multiple languages, and they're even working on automated publishing features. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced creator, this tool will save you time and let you focus on what matters, your creativity. Stick around, and I'll show you step-by-step how to use Vidalgo to elevate your content game. Go to Vidalgo.tech. First, you'll see this interface. You can notice there are over 480 creators using it, including top niche creators on YouTube and TikTok. Below that, you can see sample videos generated by Vidalgo. These vertical videos are challenging to create even with editing software, but Vidalgo produces them in just the blink of an eye. Okay, to get started, sign in with your Google account or any account you prefer. After signing in, you'll land on this interface. Here, you'll see a bar for video generation and some sample videos created by other creators on Vidalgo. Click on the bar and you'll discover additional features provided by Vidalgo. One standout feature is the ability to generate videos with just a single prompt. The article to video feature is perfect for historical or documentary videos. There's also a feature where you can write your own script and turn it into a video. Personally, I love the prompt to video feature. After using it, I'm definitely planning to start more shorts channels on YouTube. Simply type any prompt you want to create a video. If you can't think of an idea, you can ask ChatGPT like this. I want to generate a viral short video using the Vidalgo AI tool. Can you suggest some viral video ideas in one line? For example, I wanted to create a horror story about a small town where everyone disappears at midnight. I typed that single prompt. From here, you can select the language you want. Vidalgo allows you to create videos for any targeted country. For now, I'll stick with English. Next, you can select background music. For a horror video, I'll pick a spooky track. This one sounds good, so I'll go with it. Now for the image style. There are 4 options, in which realistic mode delivers unbelievable results, but I really like the anime style, so I go for it. You can pick one whatever you like. For the voiceover, I love the James voice, but for a horror story, Olivia fits better. Again, pick whichever voice works for your story. Then we have the script style options: shock static, questioning, inspiring, and more. For a horror story, you can go with captivating dialogue or intriguing enigma. I'll pick this one. And in this last option, we have some of the most amazing features provided by Vidalgo. However, I'll showcase them at the end of the video when we generate our final short. The entire process of selecting these options takes less than a minute. Now hit generate video. Think about it. You don't need to create images, do the voiceover, or deal with frustrating editing. Vidalgo is an incredible AI tool that does everything for you. It even generates 3 script options for you. You can edit the script if there's something you don't like, or completely rewrite it right here. Once you're satisfied, just click yes. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon because I have some amazing videos coming up in the future. Wait, our video is ready. It even provides a title and tags for the video. Seriously, it's way better than I imagined. Check out the video.
Mom, where does everyone go at midnight? It's a mystery, dear. They just vanish. But why? Some say the town's cursed. Others whisper of shadows that come alive when the clock strikes 12. Have you ever seen it happen? Once. It was eerie, like watching a movie in reverse. What did you do? I hid. It's the only way to stay safe. But what if they come for us? That's why we lock the doors and stay silent. What if I hear
We just created a viral short in under 5 minutes. I'm definitely planning to start more YouTube Shorts channels and TikTok pages. Honestly, without doing much work, we can monetize this kind of content and start earning money. You can download your video from here in the highest quality. Now let's explore the article-to-video generation feature. For example, I read an article on World War II a while ago. All I have to do is copy the article link, paste it into Vidalgo, select my preferred options, and hit generate. And just like that, faster than a blink, the video is ready. You might have already seen this one at the beginning of the video. The same goes for the Use My Own Script feature. I simply paste a script I recently generated with ChatGPT, then I select the style, adjust the settings, and let Vidalgo do the rest. From here, Vidalgo gives you the freedom to choose from a variety of subtitles and overlays, features that are usually only available to highly skilled editors. In the preferences, you can optimize the video duration and visual transitions. Once you've made your selections, click Generate, and Vidalgo starts creating the video for you. Take a look.
Elon Musk isn't just an entrepreneur. He's a trailblazer, redefining the boundaries of what humanity can achieve. With Tesla, he's not just building electric cars, he's leading a global movement towards sustainable energy, tackling climate change head-on. Through SpaceX, Musk envisions a bold future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, making Mars our second home to ensure our survival. But he doesn't stop there. Neuralink aims to merge human
The Vidalgo turns imagination into reality, delivering highly premium content with tons of customizable features. You can adjust language, image styles, subtitles, realistic voiceovers, and so much more. With the Vidalgo 2.0 update, they've significantly improved the algorithm to the point where even creators who spend hours crafting viral shorts can't believe that Vidalgo's shorts are AI generated. They are continually working on adding more features in future updates, making it the best AI generation tool out there. You can check out Vidalgo using the link in the description, and with the code ERIC, you'll get a 20% discount on every plan listed. So hurry up and take advantage of this offer. It's only available for a limited time. So thank you, Vidalgo, for sponsoring this video. Go check out Vidalgo fast.